Good morning, everybody. This is Wes from Toolbox Buzz here at the World of Concrete Expo in Las Vegas for 2025. I'm here with Madeline at the Milwaukee booth, and we're excited to tell you a little bit more about their new line of GangBox chargers. So take it away. Tell us a little bit more.
Nice to meet everyone. So excited to be announcing the M18 and M12 GangBox rapid charger here at World of Concrete. This is the first of its kind, optimized and intentionally made for inside of the GangBox. We know our GC and MEP users are constantly using these boxes to recharge and store materials, so we really wanted to make a charger that can take up as minimal amount of space, maximizing that storage space within it. How do we do that? That's with our magnetic base. So there's magnets on the back as well as a cleat that slides on the front of the GangBox, and then you can easily dismount and mount within it. We also have a couple of other different features on here as well. There's a 450 lumen light that you can easily click on, light up your GangBox when it's stored in dark places or you're starting before daylight is out. And then we also have two USB-C ports here as well. You can charge 2 batteries and then 2 devices simultaneously at the same time. And then this also features 2 M18 only ports and then 2 M18 and M12 ports, really giving that flexibility to the users depending on what platforms they're utilizing.
Can you tell us a little bit more about, like, in terms of sequence of how it's charging?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. So I kind of think about it as each wing is functioning as its own charger. Whichever battery you click on first on either side starts charging first, and then it will flip to the other 2.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And this is also high-speed charging for both M18 and M12.
Yep,
I know
rapid charge speed,
that's a big
so it's
concern
going to
as
be
well.
a big step up from that standard rate that you might be experiencing today. We are going to start shipping this Q3 of 2025, and we'll release pricing a little bit closer to launch date.
Okay, so all that's to come.
Yep.
I got to tell you, just seeing that magnetic mount alone makes me think that not only GangBoxes, I mean, like a utility body on a pickup truck, a service truck, a van setup, whatever it is, as long as you have something metal, you can stick that thing on there.
Exactly, and that's what we've seen people get so excited about is one, obviously in the GangBox, but also just the versatility to be utilized in really any workspace you might have.
And there's nothing worse than trying to get into a GangBox in a dark hallway where you're just working with basic work lighting and stuff like that.
Yep.
So having that LED light built in right there, I think is a really, really nice touch.
100%.
So, Madeline, thank you. Thank you so much. It's nice to meet you, and thanks for telling us.
Yeah.
We're going to have a lot more from Milwaukee here at World of Concrete 2025. Thank you.